Drøbak is a charming town in Norway that's worth visiting due to its rich history, picturesque scenery, and various attractions. Located about 40 kilometers, 25 miles, south of Oslo, it's easily accessible by car or public transportation. Drøbak's historic city center is a captivating gem that transports visitors back in time with its charming atmosphere and well-preserved architecture. Nestled along the shores of the Oslofjord, this district exudes a quaint and picturesque ambience, making it a delightful place to explore. Cobblestone streets wind their way through the heart of the city center, leading you past rows of beautifully maintained wooden houses that date back to the 18th and 19th centuries. These houses showcase traditional Norwegian architecture, with intricate details and vibrant colors that add to the area's visual appeal. One of the most iconic landmarks in the historic city center is the Tregarden's Christmas house. This enchanting shop and museum is a year-round celebration of Christmas, offering an extensive collection of ornaments, decorations, and festive items. The interior is adorned with holiday-themed displays that bring warmth and joy to visitors, making it a must-visit destination regardless of the time of year. As you stroll through the streets, you'll come across charming boutiques, cafes, and galleries that reflect the town's artistic and creative spirit. The town square provides a central gathering point, where locals and visitors alike can enjoy a leisurely meal, indulge in some shopping, or simply soak in the tranquil atmosphere. Overall, Drøbak's historic city center is a captivating blend of history, culture, and aesthetics. It invites visitors to step back in time, explore its unique architecture, and immerse themselves in the cozy ambience of this charming Norwegian town. Drøbak's combination of history, natural beauty, attractions, and proximity to Oslo makes it an inviting destination for first-time travelers seeking a taste of Norway's cultural heritage and scenic landscapes. Drøbak, you can explore the historic district with its well-preserved wooden houses and cobblestone streets. One of the main highlights is the Tregarden's Christmas house, where you can experience the holiday spirit year-round and find unique decorations. The Oscarsborg fortress is another must-see, offering guided tours and a glimpse into Norway's military history. For activities, you can take a boat trip in the Oslofjord, enjoying the stunning landscapes and possibly spotting seals and other marine life. Engaging in outdoor activities like hiking, fishing, or even swimming during warmer months is also popular. Drøbak's coastline and beaches provide a relaxing atmosphere. As for accommodation, Drøbak offers a range of options, from cozy bed and breakfasts to modern hotels. You can choose to stay near the town center for easy access to attractions and dining options. Overall, Drøbak's blend of history, natural beauty, and unique attractions make it a delightful destination for a day trip from Oslo or a longer stay.